Have you ever wondered why some manifestation techniques work for others, but feel impossible for you? The secret isn't what you're manifesting, it's how your adult brain is wired. Today, we're breaking down the ADHD method and why it hits differently after age 25. Let's dive in. ADHD isn't just another buzzword, but it's a neuroscience-backed framework for your manifestation. First, having awareness of something you so believe in but you can't see them, like spotting limiting beliefs buried in your subconscious. But one thing that you need to do is to change your habit by rewiring your daily routines to attract good outcomes, aligning things that matches the actions that you desires. Another interesting thing is disciplining yourself, because consistency is the key, everything in life. So being consistent when life gets chaotic. But here's the twist. For adults, they face a very unique blockers, and in kids, they don't. Now let's unpack how it's different in adult brains. Adult brains are quite busy and sensitive. Between bills, jobs, and relationships, the adult's prefrontal cortex is always overloaded. This means awareness struggle, like childhood traumas and societal pressures, they all hiding in a blind spots. For example, you spent decades building neural pathways for good and bad. Misalignment trap. The challenge there is misalignment trap. You shoulds, careers, relationships, often override true desires. Another thing is discipline burnout. Discipline burnout. With discipline burnout, willpower drains you faster when you're juggling 10 priorities at the same time. But here, how you can adapt ADHD to your adult life with these fixes. Awareness by using triggers. Tracking, like nothing down moments of frustration or fear for 72 hours. These patterns will shock you. You need to create these habits by attaching micro habits to your existing routines. For example, spend 2 minutes on gratitude while brewing coffee. Then alignment is another thing. By asking yourself, does this choice feel like freedom or obligation? By doing those things, you have disciplined yourself. Another important step by manifestation time into your calendar like a CEO. Protect it ruthlessly. Meet Sarah, a composite of real users. At 34, she felt stuck in a job she hated, using ADHD awareness. She realized she feared judgment if she pursued art, but she created a habit for herself. She started drawing for 10 minutes nightly. By constantly doing that every day, she aligned herself to her cause. She quit her networking events that drained her. She blocked Sundays for creative work. In 6 months, she sold her first painting. That wasn't magic, but adult proof of systems. Manifesting as an adult isn't about chanting louder, but it's about strategizing smarter. ADHD works because it respects your brain's wiring. Are you ready to test it? You can conquer your adulthood by showing your manifestation like achieving one thing at a time. Before you go away, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment below. Also, check out our other videos on mental health, wellness, meditation, and how to teach and manage autism children.